Hello, secondary school students, especially those preparing for WAEC. You want to boost your school performance and get ahead before WAEC. Master Microsoft well will make you smarter, faster, and more confident in your study. And you know what? It is completely free. Here's how Excel will help you to ace your school subjects, like recording, analyzing your test assignments, and project scores like a pro. To perfect your mathematics, business studies, economics, and ICT. It will boost your thinking power. So practice formulas and functions to improve your problem solving and logical reasoning. It makes you faster and more accurate in calculation. So what are you waiting for? Stay super organized. Plan your timetable, manage your projects, and class record neatly in one place. Get ready for WAEC digital skill. Get the high-stake competence you need for your WAEC and future academic work. Start building the tech skills employers love today. Don't wait. It is an opportunity. Join the link below to start. Bye for now. Khadija Oudene.